Well, I wasn't expecting to have a brand new amplifier, have it replaced today. I got the call on Friday from my dealer saying they had some in stock, and if I put my car in for Monday I could get it swapped today. So I took it in for 8:30 and they had a call about 3:30 this afternoon. Sorry, there's been a problem. Although they're in stock, Kia are not shipping them out for some reason. They're now giving me a date of October. So what the hell? I don't know what's going on. If I was working and I had to take my car in specially and to have nothing done to it but sit on a car park all day, I'd be really peeved off. Not that I'm not peeved off. So I don't know, it's just but a very bad customer experience from Kia. I can't blame the dealer because I think it's Kia that's at fault with this. I've also found an American service action bulletin 494, which has now been updated to 494A, which I'll put up on the screen. Basically it's for an inspection or amp logic software update or replacement of the amp, depending on the result of the tests. And it says for vehicles produced from November the 17th 21 to February the 15th 2022. Mine was manufactured I think in July 21 and I didn't get it till November. So I think mine and a lot of others should be inside this recall, and I think this recall's going to go wider and farther than they're admitting. So that's where we are at the moment. I could be in for a long wait. Wish it was happier news. Thank you for watching.